Welcome bosses. In this video, we're going to go through the appointment settings part 2. We're going to give a brief overview of these icons here. Some of them will go into, will have their own video, and we'll go into this section over here. So first of all, this is drag and drop. As you have many appointments, you could drag and drop the order that you want them to appear on your page in. There's only one, so right now that's what appears on your page. This icon will allow you to override the global settings that you set. So if for this specific appointment, let's say you're only doing it on Mondays and Thursdays, so you can create, and only during specific times, you can create those settings. Again, we'll have a separate video for that. This icon over here is for custom fields, and we'll have a separate video to show you how that works out. That's when somebody books you. You could add specific questions and make them mandatory to answer before they can actually close the booking. Here's where you're going to set up your reminders by SMS or by email if you have the SMS feature. And you can set up to 5 of them, and we'll have a separate video on that. This is a copy tool, very, very handy. So let's say you have a default appointment booking that has your schedule, has everything you like. You just want to use it for specific people. So you just click copy, and you could rename it right here. And you could decide to keep the booking schedule, the custom fields, the reminders that you had set up from this one, and just click create appointment. You'll see, boom, now you have the same one, and you can now edit this. And I'll just show you how drag and drop works. You just slide it like that. But we're going to delete this for now. And that's how you delete an appointment. And over here you'll see you have light URL and full URL. So every appointment that you create, and every and that actually works products and services when we get to that, every product and service will have its own full URL. So if you don't want to send somebody your full page, this is the full page that has everything on there. So if you have multiple appointments, but you only want to send one specific type of appointment to somebody, so you have the full URL, which will give you a preview. It looks like this. Actually, it looks like the same thing because there's only one type of booking. But this is its own page for this specific booking. And you could edit this. So if you want to just say Steve Smith and call it 315, click save. So now that becomes the URL, which is easier and cleaner. Now we have something called the light URL, which is fantastic. Let's say you're already dealing with somebody that knows you, whether it's somebody you work with or a client already already knows who you are. They don't need to see the full page. So what we did is we automatically generate another free page called the light URL version. And we'll see what that looks like. And see here, this will just pull up your profile pic, your name and title, and then the information specifically towards for that appointment. That way they don't have to read through the FAQs, they don't have to read through the testimonials, they already know who you are. Just a very clean and crisp page that you could send to your clients. And of course you could edit that as well. Just make that 315. Click save. All right, you'll see that this one has the word light in between, so that's how you know it's the light version. And we make it very easy for you to copy, so now you can easily send it to somebody's email. Anyway, this is part 2 of appointment settings, and now we'll dig into some specific icons that you see over here.